Welcome to Maryland HVAC Repair. In this quick lesson, we're going over a key HVAC math skill, temperature conversions. You'll need this for calculations, equipment settings, and even code questions on your license exam. Fahrenheit to Celsius, the formula is degf 32, x 1.8 equals sign deg's example. What's 50 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius? 50, 32, x 1.8 equals sign 10 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. The formula is dgc x 1.8 plus 32 equals sign deg example. What's 30 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? 30x 1.8 plus 32 equals sign 86 degree F. Tip: just remember the number 1.8. That's the key to both formulas. Whether you're sizing a unit or setting a thermostat, knowing this will save you time. For more HVAC math help, check out our book on Amazon, https://a-codehxco4vi. Visit us at https://marylandhvac Subscribe here, https://www.youtube.com/@marylandhvacrepair.